The OVICX Q2S electric folding treadmill is one of the treadmills released in 2020. In terms of functions, it can be in comparison with the Sunny Health Fitness SF-T7946, however, has a distinct layout, folding device, and surprise absorption device. It also offers a slightly superior velocity range. It's a system made for home use, supposed walking and jogging. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Summary: the OVICX Q2S is a folding electric-powered treadmill made for home fitness. It is outfitted with a 3.0 HP motor, gives a velocity variety of 0.6, 8.7 miles per hour, and has an LED display console like-minded with the FitShow app for online progress monitoring and different features. It may be folded flat or saved vertically to store space. It comes pre-assembled, you most effectively need to unfold it, plug it in, and also, you're equipped to move. It's a reasonably good treadmill, incredible for light to high-depth workout routines, see language workout routines, stamina improvement, and weight loss. Drive motor. The OVICX Q2S treadmill is an electric-powered treadmill geared up with a 3.0 HP maximum power motor. It gives a velocity range between 0.6 miles per hour and 8.7 miles per hour. It offers a continuous belt movement all through prolonged workouts, even though the consumer is close to the maximum 264 lbs, 120 kilograms, capability. It comes with an electricity twine that connects to the device's front base segment. Likewise, there is an on/off transfer next to the power twine's connection port. Console. The OVICX Q2S treadmill prepares with a reasonably easy console. Its capabilities and LED show with 3 home windows that imply, from left to right, velocity, time, and calories /distance/pulse. Speed and distance are proven in kilometers per hour and kilometers. You cannot exchange the gadgets for English from the console. Thus, the maximum velocity is 14 km per hour, equivalent to approximate 8.7 miles per hour. Frame production. One of the most critical OVICX Q2S treadmill capabilities is its portability. The machine capabilities of fold-flat design, permitting the 2 upright bars with the facet arm grips to fold down over the deck. These consequences in an entirely narrow packing and superior garage possibilities. In other words, you could even store it underneath a bed if there may be a clearance of at the least 25 centimeters. Its front face has folding foot stabilizers, which offer the possibility to shop the gadget vertically.